Good morning everyone. I'm out today on a very cold day again. Very dull as well. There's not a lot of light today, but I'm going to have a go at some wildlife photography at one of my local nature reserves. So you come along and hopefully I can get something decent, because there's a few kingfishers and stuff like that down here, and I do have the barn owl fly up and down here, but it's a bit late now for that. But we'll go for a walk, see what we can capture. So as I said, you join me on a very cold but dull January morning. Today I have with me Sony A7IV with the Sony 200-600mm lens attached. So what I normally do is just have a nice slow walk, obviously listening to the wildlife and the birds and everything, and then just every now and then just have a little stop and just wait to see if you can see anything seen on posts or flying across the field. You do get some quite rare wildlife in this place, so it's just good to just take it slow and just look about and use your eyes. And also make sure your camera is obviously set up, so if you get something flying towards you, you're ready to get the shot. So far it's quite quiet at the minute. I'm guessing that's down to the weather. It's just so peaceful here. And when you come down here in a morning like this, obviously there's not a great amount of light, so your images, you have to expect your images to be a bit noisy, but obviously you can fix it in post. But it's just nice to get out into nature and just listen. It's just like a perfect little hidden gem. There's a little wren there. see the kingfisher. Got a little robin up there. This is where the kingfisher. They've got a heron right out at the back. I don't know if you can see it. Get my camera to focus. So in this bit is where I come and sit for hours and hours waiting for the kingfisher. Still see the heron up there as well. I want to make sure that IS is on. Yep. You get some beautiful shots in here. Just that. Got a few nice little shots on there. Absolutely frozen now, but yeah, it's quite a good morning. Plenty of robins and great tits and stuff, but sadly no kingfisher. But yeah, that's what it's like when you do wildlife photography. Just sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. I hope you enjoyed the little video. If you like it, give us a like and a subscribe, and I'll look forward to shooting again. Thank you, take care.